you're such a cutie. Hey?
That guy's like, hey, what you saying to my lady? So watch it, mate. Watch it. You just carry on down the mountain.
She is quite a stunner, though. Look at it. You got yourself a very fine mate, lad. Good job. Well done. Oh, see, look at her go. She climbs rocks like a real champion mountain goat. Whee! She perks her head. All quirky like, hello, you're pretty. Why don't you come with me? Why don't you ditch that old goat over there? Ditch him. You come have adventures with me. Okay? You think he can show you anything more than I can? I'll show you the world, baby. He's just gonna show you this mountain. I promise you, goat. That dude is not gonna take you anywhere but this freaking mountain. That's all you're gonna see. You come with me. You're gonna see the world, baby, the world. Come with me. Ditch the old goat. Screw him. He's fat and ugly. Sorry, mate. I'm just joking. I am just joking. You are freaking beautiful. You are beautiful with your mane and stuff. Look at him. You. There. Anyway, what was that about going down the mountain? Shall we do that thing then? Alright, let's go. I mean, I could shoot movies and movies. Hours and hours of documenting these goats. That could just always be entertaining, I'm sure. Hey guys. But I gotta go. Cheers guys, give it horns. I am so freaking stoked to have met you today. Have a good time. I hope to see you again. I'll be back in this mountain a fair bit, I should say. So, may see you again. Toodles! Wee! Cheerio!